Stay here. So
Please step in front. Don't worry, we're not gonna...
So you guys listen up, because we're also gonna be teaching you, and you're gonna see them perform after. So, okay, beatboxing is basically making sounds using your mouth, making music, making... Can you show effects?
So it's just a bunch of like simple beats and
Yes.
other bass.
So guys, listen up. The first sound you have to do is, listen up, the kick, the bass.
Bass drum. You got the bass.
It's saying the word B, letter B.
Ba, B. Can you do that? Ba. There we go. There we go. Let's have a...
So it's letter B is like saying...
Ba, without an E.
Yeah.
So alright, alright.
How about the second sound? Genesis, can you teach them the second sound?
Yeah, the second sound is like this with
It's basically a letter T.
Simple, right? Don't be too hard. Yeah!
yeah. Alright.
So you have first two sounds. First is the second is the...
And then you got the third sound is the snare drum. Or, okay, to make it simpler, you could use the K. So let's hear a snare drum. Yeah!
So if you put those three sounds together, you get the... that.
Whip, cat, and what?
No showing up.
Just like that. Right?
So you guys try this. Give them a round of applause first. Come on.
Give it up for these girls over here.
Yo.
All right, let's start. Yeah. These two want to perform. Do you want to hear them individually or together?
Sure.
I couldn't hear that, but anyway. So okay, let's give them what they want. Yeah, give them a round of applause.
Give it up for these Assumption students. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, and in case you can't do those three sounds, you can just say boots and cats.
Boots.
Cats. So right now, us Beatbox Philippines and Genesis will be showing you different beatboxing sounds. Check, our mics are tested, so you start, Genesis, come on.
Yo, let's all check this down.
Give it up for Genesis! Yeah! Come on! Give it up for Genesis, ladies and gentlemen. So, whose turn is it? It's my turn. So guys, can you guys just clap with a beat?
I'm bringing
For last part, dubstep.
Dubstep. So the beat is simple. It's really slow actually. So it's
But he can make it more complicated than that. Can you show them?
like
Effects and all.
everything.
Yeah.
So let's start simple.
Listen to this.
And now the beat drop.